Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to basically convert any sort of website URL to PDF document inside the PyQt5 GUI framework inside Python. So let me just launch this application. So if I just launch this application, you will find out that basically this will load this URL google.com inside the browser. You can see it's a GUI kind of an application. As you load this, you will see it will create this PDF document. It will now convert this HTML document that you see right here, google.com. It's basically a search engine. So whenever you load this, so it has created this, taken the screenshot and it has downloaded it as a PDF document. You will see that this is google.com. So you can change this URL accordingly. Inside you can customize this. You can, let's suppose you can change this to any URL. Let's suppose I change it to my website freemediatools.com and I once again launch this application once again. You will see that now it will once again take the screenshot, open the URL and convert this to a PDF document. You will see it will load this website inside this URL and it will now create this. Now if I open this inside the browser, you will see it will now take the screenshot of the website and it will convert this to a PDF document. So now 27 pages are contained inside this PDF document. So it totally depends upon the length of the website. So how many pages are there? You can see that all the images are also converted to the PDF document. So we will be looking at how basically we can generate the PDF document of a particular website URL inside PyQt5 GUI framework of Python, which is used to make desktop applications. It's a great alternative to Tkinter. If you just search here PyQt5, this is a GUI framework for building graphical user interfaces applications inside Python. So I've written a complete blog post on my tutorial website. In the video description, you will find out all the source code. So now, first of all, you need to install these dependencies. First of all, we need to install PyQt5 dependency, which is a base library in order to build out graphical user interface applications. And then we need to install PyQt web engine. So this is a second dependency we will need for this building this application. So install these two dependencies by executing these two commands. Now we need to make simply our app.py file here, and inside this we need to write some code here. So let me just delete all this code and start from scratch. So first of all, we need to import the base libraries which we'll need for this application system module, and also we will be needing PyQt5, and from this we need to import Qt core library, and from this we will be importing QURL module, and then we will be importing PyQt5, and from this we need to import Qt web engine widgets, and from this we just need to import Q web engine view. And lastly, from this PyQt5 we have Qt widgets, and from this we just need to import our Q application, and here we just need to initialize our new application. We're using Q application. Inside this we just need to pass system argv like this. After this we just need to initialize a new view on the screen. So this is basically how you initialize a sample PyQt application. You will initialize the view, and here we just need to load a simple URL, and here we can use the QURL widget. We can go to any URL. Let's suppose I go to any github.com. This is basically the website that we will load inside our desktop application, and then we will simply show it on the screen. That's all. So basically now we will now show something on the screen. So system.exit, we will use this function, and inside this we will pass app.execute like this underscore and parentheses. So now if I run this application python app.py, you will see it will load github.com inside the browser. You will see that github.com is loaded here inside the browser, and now we simply need to convert this to a PDF document and store it inside the root directory. So for that we just need to define a function. That function will execute view dot load finish. So basically this will be the function which event we need to listen, and this contains a method connect. We need to connect a function here to this event here which we will execute, which will save PDFs. So as soon as the view is loaded, as soon as the website is loaded inside the desktop application, we will execute this function which is save PDF. It will convert the HTML to PDF using this function. So only a single code is there. View dot page. We will take the screenshot of the whole page, and then we will invoke a function which is called as print to PDF, and we will invoke this function which will actually convert the website URL, complete website, to a PDF document. So we will just make it as result.pdf. That's all. So this will basically, whenever the website finishes, it executes this function. Inside this, we takes the screenshot and converts to a PDF document, result.pdf. So now if I run this script here, as soon as it loads the website, you will see that it will now create a save PDF. You can see it totally depends upon the length of the website. So if the website is large, then it will take a lot of time to just create PDF document. You can see it is taken 5 megabytes of size of this PDF document. So if I now open this, so I think it will contain a lot of pages, all 14 pages. You will see the quality of the PDF document, the quality of the images look quite good. You will see it has taken the screenshot and converted all the pages to their respective PDF documents. So a total of 14 pages are there inside the PDF document. So in this way, you can convert any website URL to PDF document inside PyQt5 GUI framework inside Python. All the source code is given in the description of this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel.